Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Shokz OpenRun Pro to your Android phone. So the first step is to simply go to your settings app on your phone, and then in settings, you want to tap on Bluetooth and ensure that Bluetooth is enabled. Once Bluetooth has been turned on, you now want to put your Shokz Bluetooth headphones in Bluetooth pairing mode. So to do that, you want to press on this volume up button for 7 seconds, so until this light starts blinking red-blue. So all you need to do is simply press on it, count 7 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you can see it starts blinking. So this means it's now in pairing mode. So again, you want to go to your Bluetooth settings and then scan for any nearby devices, and you should see your OpenRun Pro by Shokz listed. So you want to tap on it to establish the connection. And once the connection has been established, you can now use them to listen to any audio that's coming from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.